Namaskar. Today we will be doing class 11 statistics. So statistics, what do we do with statistics? Statistics is a study of data where there will be a lot of elements given. How do we define a data? How do we simplify a data? Summarize a data? This all we will be studying in statistics. We have been learning statistics from class 9th. So here you will be having the basic knowledge I will be giving you about statistics. You know about statistics prior. You have ungrouped data, first ungrouped data and grouped data. So we will be studying in detail of group data and ungrouped data. So I'll tell you prior, this topic right now what we'll be doing is for the completion of the first exercise. So in group, mainly in the first exercise we will be dealing about mean deviation. Mean ka deviation. So mean is getting deviated about the mean or about the median. This shall be taught right in this class. So in mean deviation you have again group ungrouped data का बारे में पढ़ेगा और ग्रुप डाटा के बारे में, दोनों के बारे में हम क्लियरली पढ़ने वाला है. So initially let us talk about group data, ungrouped data. So we'll talk mean deviation about the mean deviation of ungrouped data. So ungrouped data का मतलब क्या है? It will be ऐसे दिया होगा, like take an example 6, 7, 3, 2, 1, 6, 7, 3, 2, 1, 5, 7 इतना दिया है 7. How do we find the mean? इसका now this is a ungrouped data. This is a ungrouped data. We need to find the mean deviation about it. So एक question आने का chances is very less, but we need to know this for going to the next topic. So mean deviation. So we have the formula. I'll write down the formula for you. So while writing it is mean dot deviation bracket के अंदर mean, you know this from class 10th, mean. So the formula goes summation mod minus x bar divided by n, where I to 1 to n it goes. कहाँ तक है वहाँ तक, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So your n will be 7. So remaining things how do we find? This is your xi, all this will be your xi. We need to find x bar. So x bar ढूंढना है हमें. So how do we find the x bar? X bar का formula is just summation of all the xi's divided by n. So summation of all the xi's will be 10, 8, 9, 10, 19, 19 plus 7 is 26, 31. 31 divided by n कितना है 7 है. So 31 by 7 so it usually won't be this way. The answer will be maybe directly answer. Since I have taken an example from my side, so you have to face the consequence. 3.4. तो आंसर आ जाएगा हमारा 4.4. This is your x bar. Now to find this, let the camera just focus here. I request everyone to see here. So here this is your x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7. So इसको हम करना है अभी in this format. So now we find modulus of xi minus x bar. अब modulus of xi minus x bar 6 minus 4.4 को करना है. Modulus of 6 minus 4.4 comma 6, no, next is what? 7 minus 4.4 करते जाना है. 3 minus 4.4. अभी 3 minus 4.4 में आपका आंसर होगा -1.4. But you don't write -1.4. You write just 1.4 because modulus take off the minus. And then you have 2 minus 4.4, 5 minus 4.4, 7 minus 4.4. You will get the answers for this. What shall be the answer? You can just write down the answers of each. And then we need to add those all. ये पूरा का sum, because come get back to this. This is a summation. इस पूरा का sum लेना है, एक आंसर आ जाएगा. Alright. Approximately 6 minus 4.4 will be 2.6. 6 minus 4.4 will be 1.6. Yeah, 1.6. 7 minus 4.4. 7 minus 4.4 again 6. 2.6. 3 minus 4.4. 1.4. तो माइनस नहीं रहेगा, ऐसा ही said you earlier. And 2 minus, तो 2.4. 2 minus 4.4. 1 minus 4.4, 3.4. Next is 5 minus 4.4, 0.6. And then 7 minus 4.4 is the same value, that is 2.6. इन सबको ऐड करके एक आंसर आना चाहिए. After that you put in the formula. After that you get back that this answer, whatever the answer is, divided by n कितना है? 7 है. तो ये जो आंसर आएगा, that is your mean deviation about the mean. We are finding about the mean in the section of ungrouped data. ये ungrouped data है. I hope you understood this question. We'll see to it that next question we write. We'll see some questions from textbook. Now we'll do mean deviation about median. मीडियन का इसमें ढूंढेंगे हम. So you have a question. I'll see the question is from textbook. 3, 9, 5, 3, 12, 10, 18, 4, 7, 19, 21. Now median it is from class 9th. Logic will be applying here. So first of all, we'll basically write down the formula. Mean deviation. Last time it was x bar, stating the mean deviation about the mean. But this time it is median, so we write it by capital M. Median is the capital M. Median capital M. So the formula is 1 by n, same like before, summation of all the xi minus x bar पर mean के लिए यहाँ पर है m. Where I to 1 to n, n कितना है उतना. So we get to know from data. From given data, I know that n जो है वो है आपका 11. n 11 आता है. Right? Now I have to find. Now I know this x bar is all of this. I have to find m. To find m, how do we find m in ungrouped data? Clearly get to know ungrouped data के क्या करना है. We need to I'll write down to find m. First we'll write down all this in ascending order. When we write all this in ascending order, it will be 3 आएगा, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 10, 12, 18, 19, 21. This is how we will write. Okay. Now how much is there? Overall we have to see there are 11. So it is, since it is odd, n is 11 and that is odd, ये odd है, तो आपको n plus 1 divided by 2 करना है. n is 11 plus 1 divided by 2, 12 divided by 2, जो है 6. So sixth term, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, ये है आपका median. So median है 9. This is your median. This is how you get the median. So the sixth observation क्या है? ये this is not your median. This is your median. Got it? So with this median, now I'll be finding. Please focus here. So now we will be finding your xi minus m. We will write down. So it is 3 minus 9, that is minus 6, लेकिन mod है तो ये 6 रहेगा. Again 6, 5, 4, 2, 0, 1, 3, 9, 10, last you will get 12. This is your xi minus m. Mod of xi minus m. Now let's get back to this formula and substitute in the formula. This formula में डालेंगे 1 by 11 summation of all this, add all this. When you add, you get 58. Please do verify 58. So the answer over here, summation of all this will be 58. So it is 58 divided by 11. You have to simplify and write. So 11 divided by 58. 5s are 55. 4, 0, 5.4. That shall be our answer. I hope you understood about the ungrouped data. Ungrouped data, how do you find the mean deviation about the mean? How do you find the mean deviation about the median? Right. Now let us go to the next topic. Please verify the answers. That is mean deviation of a group data. You find the mean deviation about the group data. GROUPED, grouped data. Now in group data, you should remember, dear students, there are two types. One is discrete data and the other is continuous data. What is in discrete data? What is in continuous data? In discrete data, it will be just given. अभी question होगा. In the box, they will give you xi and fi. That's it. xi and fi इतना दिया है discrete data में. And in continuous data, it will be continuous. मतलब in one section, like at suppose 1995 से 2000, how much people are born? So 1995 to 2000, so much were born. That and all, like that data, we will go to continuous. And the opposite of that is discrete data. Sorry. So यहाँ पर आएगा interval, class interval, or you'll be given with the frequency. Frequency is important. That will be given in the both cases. In the both cases, how to tackle the questions shall be taught in the section. So I hope you understood what is group में दो तरह का होता है. We will study now discrete. We'll take a question. We will completely study how to do how to deal with the data given in discrete form. In discrete form, please be attentive. We'll take a question from this. We have to find the mean deviation. Find the mean deviation about mean. Now here the formula also slight little difference is there. Stay tuned. So as I said, you will be having xi you will be having fi, ये दोनों दिया है क्वेश्चन में, 2 5 6 8 10 12 and 2 8 10 7 8 5. These two are given. The box now should be made for statistics. You have learned that in class 10th. So mean deviation about the, so further going ahead, I would like to tell you about the formula of mean deviation about the mean. So here the formula will be 1 by n. n क्या है इसका जो sum, I will teach you that. Summation of all fi xi minus x bar. I 1 2 n कितना है उतना. So n, what is n? The total number of frequencies. इधर कितना 10 20 20 plus 15 35 35 40, correct? So your n will be 40. Now to find x bar, you can reach out your tensorial formula, summation, 1 by n summation of fi xi. Right, अब हमें fi xi ढूंढना है, तो fi is given, xi is given, directly fi xi एक और table. So if you know the formulas, it will be easy for you to get into the tables. अब fi xi ढूंढने के बाद you will get तो ओवरऑल ये मिल जाएगा, n तो भी मिल गया, तो x बार विल गेट. देन यू वांट xi माइनस x बार, तो xi माइनस x बार, डायरेक्टली वी विल राइट द मॉडुलस and we will get the answer, but we don't just want the summation of that, so summation of this is not required. Then whatever answer we get, we multiplied by fi xi minus x बार, और इसका एडिशन चाहिए हमें because this is summation. This is what we have to do in this. Let us proceed with this. fi into xi, you have 4 40 60 8 sevens are 56 80 60. So when you add this 100 280, just check out 300. And now we will go to find the xi, because we need xi to do this. So it is 1 by 40, summation of all this is 300. 0 0 cancel, 2 15s are, 2 2s are, so 15 by 2 is how much? 7.5. 7.5 will be your mean. This is your mean. Now we will subtract xi minus the x bar. So we have 7.5 minus 2 will be 5.5. 7.5 minus 5 will be 2.5. 1.5 1.5 3.5, no, 2.5. We have 7.5. 9, you have 2.5, and 12 5.5. 4.5 we have, and here 0.5. I hope remaining is correct. 1.5, 0.5, 2.5 and 4.5. Yeah, this is the modulus. As I said previously, minus won't be taken here, modulus is there. Now I multiply this, what we got, with your fi, दो के साथ multiply करेगा. So what do you get? 11, 2.5 into this thing is 12, 1, 15, 15, no, 20 it is. 10, you have this 15, you have 3.5, 30, 16, 20, 20, yeah. And then you have 22.5. You should add this and then you should get the value as 92. You should get 92. Now our work is done. Now just substitution over here. Please focus here. 1 by 40. And here what do we get? The sum 92 we get 92. So 246 are 220s are 40 by 20 are there. The 46 by 20. 223s are 210s. The answer is 2.3. Yeah, 2.3 is the answer. This is again mean deviation about the mean in the discrete form. Discrete form is this form. I hope it is very clear. Let us rub and go to the next question. Mean deviation about the median. अब इसमें कैसा mean deviation about the median in same discrete form we will study. In discrete form, mean deviation about median. So we'll take one question. I hope you understood these things. We'll take a question. You have xi, you have fi. 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 15, 21, 22. You have 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 4, 3. So here I'll add the formulas for you. Your mean deviation about the median. I'm not gonna explain this. You can just see a minute before I had said you clearly how the expressions has to be expressed. Same here, fi, but xi minus m it will be because we are dealing with median. I to 1 to n. तो median कैसे ढूंढना है यहाँ पर? How do you find the median over here? Median I will be telling you how to proceed. For that we need to know how much is this coming up, right? So with all this, only we can get the things done. So 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 7, 25, 30. So 30 you will get, right? And now when we talk about median, remember your 10th standard, CF, cumulative frequency is important. How do we find the cumulative frequency? Is 3, you write it as 3, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 4, 18, 18 plus 5, 23, 23 and 27, 30. Always this and this should be same. ये दोनों हमेशा सेम रहना चाहिए. This is for you to verify whether whatever you have done is correct or wrong. After getting the cumulative frequency, this n is very important for us over here. So here we have n as even number. So if just please see over here, just focus the camera over this side a bit. If it is visible, it is well good. 30. If n is 30, जो है एक even number है, right? And if n is, suppose it is 27 and it is odd. It is not 27, but you can see 27. If n is even, then you have to find your n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. These two terms we need. And how do we find the median? Median कैसे ढूंढना इसमें? n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 का divided by 2. उसका दोनों का mean, those two observation का mean you have to find. And if it is odd, just your n by 2, n plus 1 by 2. So we don't want this initially. So 30 है हमको. So if n is 30, it is n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 का mean. n by 2, your 30 by 2 is 15 plus 15 plus 1, 16. तो यहाँ पर 15 और 16 the term के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So 15 and 16, you don't have 15 or 16, all both lies in 18. So 18 is the cumulative, corresponding cumulative frequency is 18. I hope you understood. And that ka xi is 13. So this is your median class. I hope you understood with the median class. So that's important for us. 38 dunna. This is important for us. So I'll circle it. 13. Now your median. So that's your median. This is your median. Now it's easy for us to proceed. We'll get back to the table. We need xi minus m. Pehle xi minus m mod. We need to draw this. So here xi minus m, you have your xi and m is your 13. So 3 minus 13 is 10, 6 minus 13 is 7, 9 minus 13 is 4, 12, 1, 13, 0, 15, 2, 21, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, so 8 plus 1, 9. This shall be your values. We have 10, 7, 4, 1, 0, 2, 8, 9. Correct. Then we need to multiply it by f. So fi xi minus m. So 330, 28, 22, 0, 5 2s are 10, 4 8s are 32 and 3 9s are 27. अब इन सबको ऐड करके आपको आंसर चाहिए and you will be getting it as 149. 149, correct. So substitute this value 1 by n. M is 30 into 149, 514 not divisible. So just divide 149 by 30, 10, 14 can't. So 34s are 120, 35s are 150, 34s are 120, you get 29, 0 and 9s are 270. So 4.9, 4.9, you can round up to one more decimal and not round up. I'll show you. 149 divided by 30, we did 34s are 120, you get 29 decimal 0, you have 9, you have 270, so these are your 0. So 200 comes where? 36 are 180, alright, 36 are 180. So you can stop there. 6 also you can write. That's your answer. Okay, better to round up to 2 because all your examples there are they have been kept the answer in at least 2 decimals. Yeah, this is your discrete form. I hope you understood about discrete form, and that's all for about discrete form. We will deal with continuous form. Your calculations while doing must be proper. One calculation goes, your entire answer will go. Now, be attentive. Now we will be reading about continuous form. What did I say about continuous form? We spoke about continuous form stating that it is a form where you have class interval based. We have class interval based. So depending on class interval, we will be given frequency. उससे कैसे एक्साइड होना ये भी टेंशन में पड़ा है आप, right? We will see a question based on it. So it is continuous distribution. Mean deviation about mean. MDX bar. This is what you have to find. So let's see the question. There is your marks obtained या कुछ भी आएगा marks obtained and number of students. STUT, students. That is your Fi. This is your class interval. So 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and 70 to 80 we have. Clearly we'll see 2, 3, 8, 14, 2, 3, 8, 14, 8, 3, 2, 8, 3, 2. So here we need to find the mean deviation about the mean. So here the formula remains same, dear students. Mean deviation about the mean will be a 1 by n summation of all Fi xi minus x bar, right? Summation. Oh, summation. Easy this. Very easy. Statistics is a scoring chapter, and this is the last year we'll be studying about statistics. Last year. So we need to find x bar. X bar ढूंढने के लिए I know very well 1 by n summation of Fi xi here. Correct? So here we have to add 5, 13, 13 plus 27, 27 plus 35, 35 plus 5, 40. It is 40. Now we know we have to find xi. Xi ढूंढना है. Xi ढूंढने के लिए I hope we can focus over here. Xi ढूंढने के लिए it is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Upper ये है lower limit, ये है upper limit. So your 10 plus 20 is 30, 30 by 2 is 15. Then 50, 25, and keeps on going 35, 45, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. Please confirm with your answers. Do it by yourself. I have written the formula upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So make sure it is clear and perfect. We don't want the addition of this. From here we need to find the Fi xi ढूंढना next. Why do we have to find xi Fi? Because to find mean we need Fi xi. Fi xi 30, 25, 3 is 75, and it goes on 75, 280, 630, 440, 195, and 150. And we need the sum of this too. The sum comes to be 1800. So again I am telling the calculation must be perfect. And next we have to substitute this values over here and get the value for 1 by 40 1800 00 कट गया 2 9s are 90s are 2 2s are, so you get the answer to be 45. The x bar है 45. So we'll find xi minus x bar mod के अंदर, sorry. So we need some more space. I hope you understood this thing, and this I will write again. I will be rubbing that because of space problem. Xi minus x bar, xi and your x bar, whatever x bar. Our x bar was 45. X bar was 45. X bar was 45 with the formula. So when you do 30 minus 45, no, 15 minus 45, you get 30, you get 20, 10, here you get 0, 45 minus 45, then you will get again 10, 20, 30. And then last Fi xi minus x bar, the last part. I'm going to find the addition of this. This into this. You have 60, You have 320, the 60, again 60, 80, 0, 80, 60, and 60. 60, 60, 120, 120, 120, 240, 80, 80, 80, 80, 160, 0, 400, 400. Now let's focus down. I hope it is visible down. What is the mean deviation about the mean? Now you should be able to know summation of f xi mod of xi minus x bar. डाल देते हैं हम 1 by 40, 400 कट गया 10. The answer will be 10. I hope this question was satisfying. This is how you do for continuous frequency, and this was for mean deviation about the mean. Now next question will be mean deviation about the median. So we will study mean deviation about the median. As we said, when median comes, what all comes? We have cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency आ जाएगा इसमें. फिर उसके बाद xi भी ढूंढना है. No, xi भी ढूंढना है. Right? The deviation is completely based on xi plus mark xi. So see median. Easy it is. Let us start from here. I hope it is visible here. Calculate the mean deviation about the median. So class is given to you. Frequency is given to you. This much is given. 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. 6, 7, 15, 6, 7, 15, 16, 4, 2. xi ढूंढने के पहले xi, right? You can find cumulative frequency also. Your wish. Cumulative frequency भी ढूंढना है, xi भी ढूंढना है. All this ये सब ढूंढना है. Cumulative frequency ढूंढने के पहले 6 plus 7 is 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 plus 15 is 28, 28 plus 16 is 44, 40 plus 4, 44 plus 4 is 48, and you come 50. So ये आपका 50 होना चाहिए. I said that you should verify this. Let's see 20, 20, 27, 33. Correct. You get this is 50 only. So this is 50. Now xi upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. इधर आएगा 5. 30, 30, 15, 15, 25, 25, 35, 45, 55, 20, 35, 45, 55. Please don't simply write. You should know the calculation part. Beautifully you can get full marks in this. So now we need to find the median. Median ढूंढना है. M for median. How do we find the median over here? I have said you the last place. How do we get it? This is again even number है, right? This is an even number. So you need to do it in your n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1. वो कहाँ lie करता है? All this divided by 2. n by 2 is 25th plus 26th and divided by 2. So 25th to 26th, 28 में lie करता है, उसका xi है 15. So this shall be your mean, right? Median, and you get that it will be in 28. But here we will study a shortcut method now, in which this method is not a new method for you. It's an old method where you have studied how to find median and we will be doing in the same form. So don't want this. If you want, you can do this. Anyways, the median is 28. It was lying in 28. Here the formula goes to find the median. L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F. याद होगा आपको into H. So इसमें L, what is L? Dear students, L is your lower limit. तो L median class ढूंढना पहले 28. Obviously that is your median class. No. Sorry. Here it is even number, so n by 2 is 25. 25 comes here. 25. This is your median class. So here your lower limit L will be 20. L is 20. तब इसका corresponding 1 2. So this is your entire median ka lane. So n by 2. So we start substituting the lower limit. Yes, lower limit is 20 and n by 2 is 25 minus CF कितना है? CF 28 है. CF is not 28. CF is the preceding of this particular cumulative frequency. अभी median class का median lane है ये, right? उसका preceding 28 का preceding 13 को लेना है CF. So you take 13 divided by F. Sorry, F also we have to write. F is 25. So F also don't write the preceding one. F is 25 itself. No, F is not. That is XI we wrote. F is 15. So 15 into H. H कितना है? Size 30 minus 20 10. Yeah. So what do? We have to keep it like this. Solve this full. ये पूरा सॉल्व करना है, उसके बाद उसको 20 से ऐड करना है, राइट? सो यू विल हैव 20. ये जाता है 5 2s are 5 3s are, and how much do we get here? 12 divided by 3 into 2. 3 4s आ जाता है, so you get 20 plus 4 2s are 8, जो आएगा 28. I believe in this is easy. अब मीडियन आ गया है. Now you have to find what? xi minus m का मैग्नीट्यूड. उसके बाद fi को उससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, सॉरी, और उसका एडिशन चाहिए. फॉर्मूला में सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, आ जाएगा. I hope it is very easy. L is for lower limit, n by 2. n है फ्रीक्वेंसी का ओवरऑल वैल्यू. CF is not the median lane का CF. It is the preceding one, 13. Frequency होगा 15 and size H is height या size को कुछ बोलते हैं. So this is 10. इसका difference. So if suppose if it is now we have continuous. Assume we have discrete. Discrete के लिए xi दिया होगा. Suppose we have 6 8 4. ऐसा condition में how do we find H? You have to just subtract this. 8 minus 6 2. In that way we have to get the answer. I hope you are understanding. So 28, I'll be rubbing this for my calculation for mean deviation about the median. Mean deviation about median. MDM 1 by n summation of fi x minus m. सेम रहेगा फॉर्मूला तो, राइट? करेक्ट. You have that I is equal to 1 and फॉर्मूला का टाइम में लिख दो all this. So xi is this minus m. M was how much? M was 28. So 5 minus 28, all this has to be known for us. 5 minus 28 is 23. 23, we are next 13, 3, 7, 1727. Perfect. Now you multiply that with your frequency. 16 to 23, 23, 6, 6 3, 18, 18, 12, 170, no, 138. Then we have 91, 45, 112, 68, 54. Add all this, you should be getting 508. 508 आना है, सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे आंसर आ जाएगा. सो यू गेट 1/50 क्या है 508. 225 fours and 225s. Now we will get the answer in decimals. So 25 tens are 250. 4 are 0. 25 twos are 50. 25 ones are 25. As I said, we will get the two decimals for this. So we have 5, 3, 1, 15, 0, 15, 0, 25, 5, 5, 30, 15. We'll put a 0. We get 25 sevens are 14. No. Sorry. 150 we have. 25 6 are 12. 6 are. So it is 10.16. Answer is 10.16. I hope it is very clear. If any doubts, let me know in the comment section. We successfully finished the first exercise part of the chapter. Now we will study about something called as variance. What is variance? Where it is applied? How do we do it? Right. So variance is important because variance is something that shows deviation. Like we studied mean deviation, about the mean and about the median. अब इसमें जब एक वैल्यू लाइक xi or your x bar mean or median gets deviated from the mean position, right? How much it get deviation? You would have seen in stock market, now it goes sometimes, right? So the application of variance is in your trading market everywhere. There and all we will see variance. So we will be studying not in detail about variance, but you need to know about what is variance. It is important, and we will be studying now the question based on variance as well as standard deviations from their positions, right, in continuous and discrete frequencies. So this video is getting long because we are doing in detail about this chapter. Soon we will be uploading one 20 minutes video, short video about your other maths topics, physics, chemistry and everything, right? And we will be coming into a full flesh. Full flesh will take time to know. So first question, now we will deal about find the variance. You have to find the variance. एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, इसका 2-3 तरह का क्वेश्चन है. एक्सरसाइज में यू हैव 2 क्वेश्चंस. एग्जांपल यू हैव 1 क्वेश्चन. यू आर अनग्रुप डाटा बेस्ड of 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, right? Maybe there is some light which has been seen in this board, right? We will try to figure it out soon. So now this is all your xi, all these are your xi. So I will write that xi, right? And in this to find, basically I will show you how do we write the formula for this variance. So variance का formula है sigma square, right? Sigma square will be a 1/n summation of your xi minus x bar the whole square I to 1 to n, right? This is how you find the thing. So इसमें xi, now I will show you how to find. Xi is given to you. You write the xi, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Okay. Now we have to find di for that. Di and all you have studied in your 10th standard. Di is what? Di is your xi minus a divided by h. अब a कैसे ढूंढते हैं? We will see that. So di is then deviation from the mean. So that is your xi minus x bar. What is something that we have to know? In the previous session we studied that it is in modulus. Here now it is not in modulus. So the answer can be negative also over here. फिर इसका स्क्वायर भी ढूंढना है, xi minus x bar का स्क्वायर. अब di का a कैसे ढूंढने का? We will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Even number is there. So I will get the middle term like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In दोनों में I will choose the first one. If suppose it is odd, then you will get the middle. Suppose you have 7, take 3, the middle one, right? But it is even, you will get two values. उसका सबसे इन दोनों में बड़ा वाला नहीं है, बड़ा choose करना है तो 16 you will choose. The first one is 14. I will choose A as 14. So A is your 14. So how do we calculate? Please see over here. And what is the size? Size कितना है? 2 है. Because 8 minus 6, 10 minus 8, anything it is 2 coming up. So it will be your 6 minus 14 divided by 2. तो कितना होगा? 6 minus 14, 4, minus 8 by 2 minus 4 आ जाएगा. और इसमें कितना होगा? 8 minus 14 होगा minus 6 divided by 2, that is minus 3. I hope you understood clearly di कैसा ढूंढना है, ये समझ में आया होगा. तो ये सब आपको रखना है, समझ में नहीं आएगा ये. Or by some method you should know, you should be able to know this. Statistics and all, if you make a video, quick revision summary video of statistics, it will not be able to, we just have to tell to by heart this. How do you study is, write all, first understand all the questions, then write in a paper all the formulas and just keep on studying the formulas. Formulas goes, everything goes. 10 minus 14 minus 4 divided by 2 minus 2. तो ऐसे जाएगा ये. So it becomes minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ये 5 है. यहाँ तक समझ में आया है. अब ये why di was required for me. Please see. ये 2 हो गया. The table had to be vertical, but I did it horizontal. Okay, it's fine. So why di is required? Because for you to find x bar in this condition, to find x bar, it is your assumed mean. The formula. Let us see the formula. It is your a plus summation di divided by n into h. ये आपने पढ़ा है 10th में. It is called as assumed mean method. No, it is not assumed mean method. It is not assumed mean method. Right? It's just a formula to find the x bar over here. So how do we find x bar? We know everything. X bar क्या होगा? A है 14. A is 14. A is 14 plus summation di. इस पूरा di का addition करना है हमें. कितना आएगा इसका di? Overall di will be a 5. Answer is 5. तो ये minus भी है. So ये दोनों गया, ये दोनों गया, ये दोनों गया, ये दोनों गया, तो सिर्फ 5 बचेगा ना. So it's 5. So you have 5 divided by n. How much number do we have? 10 number we have. So it is 10. इंटू एच कितना है 2, सो 2 5 गया, 5 5 गया, आर से कितना है 14 प्लस 1 15, राइट। यहाँ 14, यहाँ पर 1 रहेगा, 14 प्लस 1 15, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड। नाउ इट इज 15, सो x 6 minus 15 minus 9, 8 minus 15 minus 7 minus 5, 12 minus 15 minus 3 minus 1, 1 3 5 7 9, clear? And then discuss square unit. So you have 81 49 25 9 1 1 9 25 49 81। अब इसमें फॉर्मूला में देखो सबमिशन चाहिए तो इसका ऐड करना है, राइट। वी हैव टू ऐड दिस 81 plus 81 all together, you will get 330, 330। okay, now I'll substitute in this। आपका सिग्मा स्क्वायर क्या होगा अभी 1 by n क्या है 10, और समेशन ऑफ इसका स्क्वायर कितना 330, 0 cancel, answer is 33। I hope you understood with this, everyone। This is the first one। In this there can be question coming in, like you have suppose we have to find for the question from your exercise n natural number, तो हमें पता नहीं कहाँ तक है, तो just now it was 6 8 10 and all, here you can take the natural numbers 1 2 3 4 dot 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 n तक जाएगा, correct है। फिर how we did this question, the previous one, the same way you have to do this question also and you will get the answer, okay। That's how we do the variance for ungrouped data। Now we'll go for little good questions। Find the variance and the standard deviation of the following data। अब variance we don't have standard deviation। Standard deviation, why do we find standard deviation? I said you about variance। standard deviation मतलब we need to like we study in chemistry lab or anything, in a physics lab, any machine you take, you have a least count in that, right? What is least count? That so that the measurement will go accurate. For that we already have a standardized value like 0.01 vernier caliper or screw gauge 0.1, anything like that। So standard deviation is standard value of that particular data, it is not given to us, we need to find for the particular data, because data differs। It can be a batsman hitting from last 5 years his course, or a student from last 9 10 11 12, right, or anything it can be, data can be anything, collection of it's a set, right? So I hope you understand what is standard deviation। Now we'll see a question based on standard deviation and here it is in a discrete distribution। So find the variance, find variance and standard deviation। अब देखो ये कैसा करेगा, xi दिया है, fi दिया है, xi is 4 8 4 8 11 17 20 24 32 3 5 9 5 4 3 1, right? So what are we need to find for this, we will be knowing, and before knowing that again we can only make the table I said you with knowing the knowledge of formulas। तो हमें ढूंढना है पहले वेरिएंस ढूंढना है, तो वेरिएंस के लिए आपको पता है the formula of variance is sigma square, which is your 1 by n summation of fi xi minus x bar the whole square, right? तो fi दिया है हमें पहले x bar ढूंढना है। x bar कैसे ढूंढेगा, x bar ढूंढने के लिए we have summation fi xi n to no I1 to n, right? So now we will be doing done, and yeah, here we need 1 by n. 1 by n is the formula, the basic formula this and all. So first of all, I'll find fi because हमें fi ढूंढना है. So 4 3s are 12, 40, 99, 17 5s are 85. 12, 3 to 6. So 75, 72, 32. अब इन पूरा को ऐड करने से I will get 204, 420. Right. अब n कितना है? 4, 8. So you'll get n to be 30. So that we simply find out what is this. It is 1 by 30, 420. 0 0 कट गया. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So 14 is your mean. तो I will find the x minus x bar. तो इससे 14 हटा दो तो कितना आएगा? -10. 8 से 14 गया तो -6. 11 से 14 -3. 3 14 जाना है. 6 8 8 है ना? 6 नहीं 10 और 32 से जाएगा 18. So correct. Yes. अब इसका स्क्वायर भी चाहिए हमें. So x minus x bar का स्क्वायर. Try to understand, dear students. According to the question, only we need to, according to the formula, we need to find the values. Any mistake anywhere can ruin your marks. So इसका स्क्वायर करो. 100, 36, 9, 9, 6 is 36, 100, 18, 18 is 324. अभी और एक चाहिए हमें जो है फॉर्मूला में F5 है इसमें. तो F5 को इससे जस्ट सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई करो. कुछ नहीं है. इसको 3 से 100 तो क्या होगा? 300. वैसे आगे बढ़ता जाएगा. 180, 81, 45, 144, 300, 324. तो इसका ऐड करने से आई विल गेट 1374. 1374. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. ये फॉर्मूला है आपका. Now substituting in the formula, sigma square 1 by 30 summation है तो summation क्या है? 1374. Correct? So what we do is now we will divide it. जाएगा 2 का 2 6 are 12, 1 7 2 8 are 16, 1 जाएगा 7 और ये जाएगा 2 15 are. अब ये इसको डिवाइड करता है 15 से 15 से. Sorry for the disturbance cost. ये जाएगा 15 4s are 60 है. 15 5s are कितना जाएगा? 75 जाएगा. तो 15 4s are 60, 8 7 80 के लिए 15 9 नहीं है. 8 गया तो 8 1s are 8 12 जाएगा नहीं. So 15 6 are 80 right. 15 6 are आपका 80 है. 15 6 are 80 7.0. 80 के बाद 15 7s are so your answer is, let me see how much is your answer. It comes around, wait 15 5s are 75 for 46 point 46.5 डाल दो. 15 5 So we get the answer as 46.4. Alright. So ये आपका सिग्मा स्क्वायर है. So sigma ये आपका वेरिएंस है. This is a standard deviation. So इसका simple root is 46.4. That is your standard deviation. That's all you have to do in this question, to find variance and standard deviation. I hope you understood with this question. If anything else, you are not understanding anything, please let me know. I can make a video on that too. But I think all are smart and you will be knowing about all this. Let us go to other question. Find the mean. अभी ये कुछ question में I will write down. Now we will be starting a question where you have to calculate, find mean ढूंढना है, वेरिएंस ढूंढना है और स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन भी ढूंढना है. फॉर द क्लास दिया है. सो इट इज अ कंटिन्यूअस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन 40 to 50 और 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80 और फ्रीक्वेंसी भी दिया है आपको 3 7 12, 3 7 12, 15 8 3 2, 15 8 3 2. Right. So here, how do we do here? First we know the formula about this. So first we have to find the mean. Mean ढूंढना है. You know mean value 1 by 1 summation fi xi बस. और सिग्मा स्क्वायर का भी पता है आपको. Summation fi xi minus x bar का whole square, and then that's it. That's all we have to do in this question also. So for knowing all this, we need xi ढूंढना है. xi पता है upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So we'll get 35, 45, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. अभी fi xi चाहिए मुझे. I'll multiply this. So it is 105, 315, 660, 975, 600, 255, 190. Add करना है इसको. We need the addition of this. So it is 3100. After doing this, we need to find the what is xi minus x bar. ये separate लिखने से better than writing separately. We can just directly do the square. Right, no problem. Your marks won't be getting detected. After one more is there, what is fi xi minus x bar का square. कितना you have to do? This much you have to do. So finding the mean x bar 1 by n कितना आएगा? 5. Your n over here is 50. So it is 1 by 50 into 3100 and 62s. So you get 62 मिलेगा as the mean. Mean is your 62. Yep. Now the xi minus 62, everything we have to just find the square of that. So initially it will be 729 directly alert 729. I hope you understand what you are taking the difference of this xi minus 62. So you have 62 minus 35 7 5 27. 27 का square है 729. So directly भी लिख सकता है. We have already studied a basic question. 2 basic questions we have studied. 49 9 169 529 and 1089. Your calculations are too much. Now fi we multiply 3 to this, 7 to this. Okay, so we have 2187 2023 588 135 1352 1587 2178 इतना आएगा. So your answer will be 10058. 10050. This will be your answer. So the calculation will take much time and the video will be long more. First of all, we have a big video upon that. We don't want to lag it more. So sigma square is equal to 1 by n 1 by 50. So please catch up with me with the calculation, and you have summation 10050. 0 get cancelled. 1005 divided by 5 when you do, you get an answer 201, I guess. Yeah, you get 201, 1005. So dear students, your variance will be 201 and your mean deviation will be root of 201. Simplify करना है तो कर सकता है, or else you can keep it like that, no problem. If you know to find the root of the decimals, yes, or else we will make a video on that. Right now, just know so much. I hope you understood. Here we found the mean ढूंढा. अगर ये पूछा भी नहीं है mean ढूंढने के लिए, still we have to find the mean. But since they have asked, you can write in the box and write, mean you got the variance, and you got the standard deviation also. That's it. 5 marks, or some state school has it for 7 marks, any other board. Then according to your convenience, you can write it. Right? There is no making it big more. It's a simple way you have to do. एक रफ पेज में पूरा कैलकुलेशन करो और ये करो. Calculation must be known very properly. So that's the answer for this. Now we'll do 2 more questions. One we have our shortcut method. एक क्वेश्चन को शॉर्टकट मेथड से करना है, and we will do one question, a normal one, right? So that our exercise questions will be easy enough. I believe that you are understanding by seeing this video. Statistics is easy. I know. I'm starting my channel with statistics. And I'll be uploading all the chapters will be covered with your support. Next is find the standard deviation of all the following data. You just find the standard deviation ढूंढना है हमें. XI दिया है, FI दिया है, 3, 8, 13, 18, 23, 7, 10, 15, 10, 6. So here we better have to know some extra formulas, right? So here this question can be easily done by the previous knowledge of yours. क्या करना है, FI XI निकालना है, इसका सम निकालना है. आपको मीन आएगा 1 by n summation of FI XI. मीन आ गया, राइट, कोई आंसर आ जाएगा. उसके बाद क्या करेगा आप, ये आपका FI XI है, यहाँ पर XI माइनस x बार हो रहा है स्क्वायर, इसको भी आ जाएगा. फिर FI लिखो, XI माइनस x बार को स्क्वायर लिखो, उसका भी आ जाएगा. फॉर्मूला में डाल दो, आ जाएगा. If don't want this all big shit, then you can go to choose something else. Let me write the formula for you. Write down here. So sigma is equal to 1 by n, your summation, not summation, whole root of n summation FI XI का square. It's only your XI square. Remember, ये कंफ्यूज मत हो जाए कि FI XI ढूंढने, फिर उसको पूरा स्क्वायर नहीं है, सिर्फ XI का स्क्वायर है वो. माइनस समेशन ऑफ FI XI का होल स्क्वायर. तो ये भी FI XI का स्क्वायर नहीं है, वो जो ओवरऑल आंसर आएगा उसका स्क्वायर है. So don't get confused with all. So what do we want? We need FI XI. ढूंढेंगे FI XI. 2180, 195, 180, and then we have 138. इसका जब सम करेगा, इसका तो 48 आता है. When you do the sum of this, you get 618. No, 614. ऑलराइट, अभी आई नो xi का सेपरेट स्क्वायर आना चाहिए, तो xi 9 64, 169, 18 18 324 एंड 529, ये सेपरेट है। और इसका, अब इसको इसका मल्टीप्लाई करता है, xi स्क्वायर, xi का स्क्वायर 7 9 63, तो ऐसा ही करेगा 663 640 2535 3240 3174, इसका जब सम करेगा 52, ये आ जाएगा। अब आई शो यू सब्स्टिट्यूशन, इज इट विजिबल? आई होप इट इज विजिबल ओवर हियर फॉर यू, the down part. I'll be doing a calculation over here. Okay, so you know 1 by 48, so n is your 48, summation of all this square is 9652, 9652 माइनस इसका स्क्वायर, तो है हमारा 614 का स्क्वायर, इसका स्क्वायर। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड। तो जब इसका ये करेगा आप, ओवरऑल यू डू इट 1 by 48, you get root of a particular answer after doing this, and then if its root is going well, good, or else keep the answer like that only, that will be your answer for this. So I think here the things are very less, but calculations will be bigger, right? So your choice, you can do any one of them, right? Okay, now we will do a shortcut method and a question to end up. Yeah, we will be doing the miscellaneous 2 of this. We have 6 questions of miscellaneous which will be continued. Dear students, watch this video, share this video, because you see this video, you will be knowing everything. It is long, it's long and it's big, but if you see it, you can see it in whatever speed you want, but if you see it, you will understand what exactly, how to get the complete marks of this. I believe you need to see it. You need to see it. Now we'll go to the next. See, in this chapter, you need not go with all the exercise questions. I am teaching you only the examples. You know very well. You might see it. Only the examples, and not from anywhere else, from your textbook. Because I'm pretty sure that either for any whatever state it is, or CBSE it is, questions will be based from this, nothing else. So shortcut method, we will directly see the question and we will solve it, and we'll get the answer. So हमें ढूंढना है mean, variance, step deviation, sorry, standard deviation. So you are given with class 0 to 30 to 40, till 100, and we have your F5 also is given to you 3 7 12 3 7 12 15 8 3 15 8 3 2. अभी आपको xi ढूंढना है, right? Now calculate this. Now we will do it in the shortcut. So they will not mention that you have to do it in shortcut. You have to do it in the previous, the question which I said, a smaller one. No, they won't mention anything. Right? If you wish, you have to do it, or else the basic, xi ढूंढना है, fi xi ढूंढना है, your early 3 questions back, prior questions, same like that. xi ढूंढना है, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So you आएगा 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. अभी okay, let us get to the formula. इसमें मीन ढूंढते हैं, ये फॉर्मूला में F5 yi divided by 50, divided by your n, divided by n into H. I hope you remember this. It's an old formula. And then we have your variance. Now variance goes as this. The variance is same as that we studied in the previous thing, but here a little different way. And this is called as, I will write it, h by n h by n root of sigma square, the root, yeah, root won't be there, sigma square. So here square, bracket n summation f5 yi ka only square, only yi ka square, minus summation f5 yi ka whole square. This is what you get. This is what it is. So let us see. You know everything. A is what? A कैसे ढूंढना है? A क्या है? इसका हाफ. तो इधर 3 है, इधर 3 है और इधर 3 है. तो A आ गया आपका 65. A is your 65. I hope I'm correct. And N कितना? N ढूंढना है इधर. N is your 50. H is what? Size is what? 10. So right now substitute x bar is 65 plus summation f5 yi I need now. Right? How do we calculate yi? It's a big thing, dear students. Big yi is equal to, yi is nothing but your di. Di was what? Xi minus a divided by h. Similarly here it is xi minus a divided by h. A क्या है? 65 है, right? और h क्या है? 10 है. Or xi 35 minus 65, whatever it is, you will get minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. अब हमें y का स्क्वायर ढूंढना है. You will get 9410149. ये भी हो गया. That is the next thing it is. We need fi. अब हमें क्या चाहिए? fi yi. जल्दी के जल्दी. So fi yi minus 9, minus 14, minus 12, 0, 8, 6, 6. और ये सब ऐड करने से minus 15 आ जाएगा. तो substitute it will be minus 15 divided by n is how much? 50 into h is 10. Cancel 5 3s are, so 65 minus 3, so you will get it as a 62. Got it? So this is how you get your mean. कैसे ढूंढना समझ में? शाबाश. Now after that you got your fi yi. Now I need one more thing, so I can just rub this and I can keep it inside. I guess it's simple, not complicated, dear students. So you want fi yi का स्क्वायर. तो fi इससे मल्टीप्लाई करो तो आएगा 27, 28, 12, 0, 8, 12, 18. तो ये जब ऐड करने से 105 आएगा. 105 ऐड करने से. तो we found the mean. Now we'll find the variance. Sigma स्क्वायर है h का स्क्वायर. आपका h क्या है? 10 स्क्वायर. 10 स्क्वायर. 10 स्क्वायर डिवाइड बाय 50 स्क्वायर. m है 50. Summation of this is 105 minus इसका स्क्वायर, not that. fi minus 15 का स्क्वायर. So ये आएगा 100 divided by 500. No. 2500. minus 225. ये सॉल्व करो, you will get the 00 will be cancelled. 1 by 25. Subtract this. What do you get? 5250 225 ये गया. 5 4 से 2 0 5. So you get 5025. It goes in 5 table. 05 55 वापस जाएगा. सो द आंसर विल बी 201. तो ये तुम्हारा वेरिएंस है और स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन होगा आपका 201 का स्क्वायर रूट और स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 201 and that's all how you find it, right? This is the way you find the questions based on. So till now what all we studied, let us talk about it. We saw about the basic introduction about statistics. We saw how we deal with the questions, right? We had some light in the board that time. I want you to please zoom and see, you will see everything clearly, right? See, my intention for making this video was just to make clear picture about how to determine the values. If any of you from the millions have any fear on statistics, right, you can, I believe you can deal it with this. If anything that I need to update or I need to do something better, let me know, right? So yeah, well, I was talking about the chapter. So then we studied about mean deviation. What is mean deviation? Mean deviation about the mean deviation about the median from discrete, continuous, ungrouped, grouped. Everything we studied. Second, we studied about variance, standard deviation. Standard deviation. What is standard deviation? What is variance? How do we do that? Everything we have studied so far.